Hey guys, welcome back to the Twisted ADV channel. My name's Chris and we are in the shop to continue the air filter theme that we had with the Jeep in the last video, and we're going to do it for the Tremor. This truck has 35,000 miles on it. I'm not sure when it was serviced before I picked it up if it ever had the air filter changed, but we're going to go ahead and swap out the engine filter and the air filter for the inside the cabin. Now with the cabin, I decided to go with K&N filter. It's a reusable, washable. According to the instructions in the manual, it says that you should be probably doing a refresh kit every 12,000 miles or every 12 months. To remove the glove box, you're just going to open the glove box here, and then on the side there's a tab, a push tab, one on each side, and from the outside of the box you're going to push that in and it releases it, and then you just lift it right up and take it out. Okay, so now for the side you'll have a clip here and a clip on the other side, so all you got to do is remove those. Just pull the clip and then pull the one on the other side. Pull the clip, and then this just slides out just like that. And then your old filter, just pull it out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh good lord, that's horrible. But I guess best thing is it's doing what it's supposed to. Look at that, guys. So now we'll go ahead and slide the new filter in its place. And then put the clips back in. You'll see there those little tabs. You're just going to slide those in the groove on each side. Make sure it's there, and then you're just going to push it up into its place. Okay, next up is taking the bottom side of your tray and hooking it up into the three slots there. Pretty simple. Just line it up, make sure that they're all in there, and then just lift it up. And that's it. Now the engine filter isn't too difficult. You just got to pop open the hood, 2 clips for the OEM box, and drop in the new filter, and it's that simple. Again, we're going to go with K&N on that one, and it should be good. I like it because it's washable. It should last a long time. It's a high flow, so we should have a good response in the motor, and maybe even an increase in horsepower. Who knows? But if you're wanting a better filter, definitely than OEM, K&N, Air Raid has a nice drop-in filter. You can do oiled or air, or a dry fit, I'm sorry. You don't have to worry about a mass airflow sensor and all that kind of stuff. So even with oiled, you can wash it, re-oil it, put it back in there. It's better for dusty conditions. They cut our road out the other day, and they're going to be laying asphalt, but that's probably going to be like 2 or 3 months from now, and we're constantly driving over dusty stuff. So this will benefit there as well. So making sure we're getting good clean air into the motor. All right, let's go ahead and open it up and put it in. Super simple. All you have is just these 2 clips right here. And it just slides over. Pull out the old one. To be expected. Probably, I don't know, probably hasn't been changed either, just like the other one. It's got some grime in there, it's got some dirt, so I suspect that the new filter will be a lot better, so get rid of that. Let the new filter in. New filter in place, and all you're going to do is make sure that these tabs go underneath here. Just make sure that they go in nice and tight. And as you push down, just bring those clips back over. And that's it. Nice seal. That's it, guys. So, super easy install. There is a sticker, I believe, in here, so that way, if you want want to, you can stick it on there or something, show that it's got a K&N for a do not discard in case you're taking it in to get serviced. That way no one accidentally throws away your $55 filter. It's a little more expensive than stock OEM, but again, reusable, washable, and lasts for quite a while. So you shouldn't have to deal with anything except for good clean air, maybe even better sound in the truck. Let's see. All right, so I don't know if you heard any difference or not. I don't think I did either. But if it breathes better, then I feel better. Let's go ahead and see what it sounds like inside. All right, a few revs. We already did an inside for the stock just to kind of see if that was better or not. We'll see. All right, sound check with the stock air filter. I don't know. I don't hear any difference, but I definitely don't hear any rattle from the wastegate. If you haven't checked that video out, check that one out. It's pretty good. Well, all right, guys, that wraps up this video. That was super quick, just like the Jeep. One in cabin, one engine filter, and it was done. We should be breathing better. We should be feeling better, and the motor should be feeling a little better also. You saw the filters. They were pretty nasty. It was time. Super quick, super easy. Something you definitely should look into doing and making sure that they're clean. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for the support and love. Click that like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Later, guys.